right, baby. So this is the 18-inch extension. I believe if you ordered it from the Cambo website, you can get this in different sizes, either longer or shorter. I think the shortest one you can get is, I want to say about, I think they have a 14-inch, but this is the 18-inch, and then I think you can get them as long as like 42 inches, which is pretty crazy. Alright, so here this thing is. This is a 9-foot boom. I believe it has a 6-foot reach, but the overall size of it is 9 feet. So yeah, let's go ahead and this is the weight plate adapter. I got 2 weight plates over here, a 5-pound iron plate and a 10-pound one. So again, this is the 1205. I think they also have the 1200 and then the 1201, and then they have the shorter extension, the shorter one, which is the 1105, the 1100, and the 1101. But yeah, it's not really much to it. From my understanding, it's real easy to put together. I think it comes, obviously it comes with an Allen key, so we'll use that and put that over here. Two holes right here in the center column.